1 chord to the minor 3 chord. Now I just think that this has, for want of a better term, a really sad quality to this chord change. If you're wanting to write like a sad sounding song, it's very tempting to just write something with minor chords because, as they say, minor chords sound sad. So A minor, E minor, you know, D minor, all minor chords. And yes, it does have a dark, kind of a sad quality to it. It's quite a resolved kind of a sound. Going to this drop to the minor 3 chord, in this case E minor. There's something about that chord change. I mean, yes, you could go C major to A minor, that has a drop as well, but it just sounds a little bit more predictable. Now, the 1 chord going to the 3 chord is used, but it's not as common as a lot of other chord progressions, like your axis progression, your 50s progression, your 1-4-5s, you know. It's not as commonly used, so I'm just thinking that it's something that you might want to try if you're wanting to have that kind of dropping kind of sound. Now, obviously, you can use it in any key you want. Here I'm doing it as a C major to an E minor. All the chord charts and things are going to be available for free from the link in the description below, so check them out. But you can do it in any key you want, so G major, it'd be a G major to a B minor. Again, it just has that quality. If you're in the key of A major to C sharp minor, you know, it just has a really cool sound. I think gets a little bit overlooked. So I hope you've got something out of this today. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, get the sheets from below. I'll see you next time.